In today's video, we're going to talk about how to pick the best niches for lead generation. Stick around. The selection of your niche, we can be a professor for a second. The selection of your niche is highly important when it comes to your lead generation campaign. I'm in Britain, that's why I'm talking like this. Niche selection is important for two reasons. The first one is if you're selling a product to a group that doesn't want it, you're selling to the wrong niche, you're never going to make any sales. The other side of it is if you're selling a product to everyone, you're going to be talking to nobody and you're also going to make no sales. So you have to select a niche that appeals to a specific group in a way that gets them to pay you. So that's what I'm talking about when it comes to selecting a niche for lead generation. We want to figure out where we can deliver the most value to our clients and get the most money. We want to find a group of people that has both the willingness and the ability to pay. And that's it. You want to find people that can afford you and people that want to buy from you. And you want the overlap between those. And if you can find that, that's your best niche for lead generation. Now let's go into a little more detail on what that means. Here's step-by-step how to pick the best niches for lead generation. Number one, first things first, don't overcomplicate things. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to come up with some offer that nobody's ever heard of. You can copy somebody else pretty specifically. So for instance, X27, our main bread and butter used to be cold email for agencies. So you could go out there and also sell cold email for agencies. You could sell newsletter writing to e-commerce companies, newsletter writing to courses, website development for local businesses, right? I'm spitting out these niches constantly. Any of those you can make money in, and I can give them to you freely because it does not matter. All that matters is that you take action. So do not worry if somebody else has the exact same business as you. You will, once you get into the market and start talking to customers, you will evolve your concept into something original. I would not even consider stopping a business because it was too close to somebody else's. If you provide value to your customers, they will buy regardless of how many other competitors are out there. Now, the next thing when it comes to picking your niche is have a look at what you've done great in the past. For instance, what jobs have you held that you did really good work on? What other side projects have you done where you happen to succeed? Or if you've run an agency, of your, let's say 30 clients, which one or two of those clients really stood out in terms of results from the others? You can use all of those data points to start honing in on what niche you are both good at and provide a ton of value at. So look through your experience and find something that you're already good at. The next thing is pick a niche and stick to it and try to make it hyper specific. I'll read some of these to you. I did this tweet a little while ago about business ideas. Let me show you this tweet and I'll go through exactly how specific these niches can be. So here we go. Business ideas should only be in the following format. We help target audience solve problem by solution, and we reach them via distribution system. And I actually did 50 examples here. So if you want to look in the description down below, you can see all 50 examples. I'll read some off just so you can get an idea of what these business niches look like. We help real estate businesses solve the issue of monitoring performance. We reach them via existing platforms. Our product costs $50 one time. We help plumbers solve reputation management issues. We reach them via Facebook ads. Our product costs $10,000 a month. You can see how specific each of those businesses are. And I'm not saying any of these are a slam dunk, but almost all of these would be worth testing in the market. And that's what you get by having a solid framework. I created this list of 50 business ideas by running through the top niches, the top offers, and then randomizing the pricing and randomizing the marketing channel. So these are just ideas. This is not something that we've tested, but you can go through this and come up with your own niche down business idea. You can even go to this website, Open Secrets, which lists out a bunch of different industries that lobby the US government. So that's how to pick your niche for lead generation. Then to create your offer, I would go through these 50 business ideas and just rewrite your offer in this way. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.